Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a Caesar salad, but the key about this one is just that we making our own Caesar dressing, and it's real easy, so there's nothing to it, y'all. But before we do, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally.
Gotta say a word, he give me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love I love.
Okay, y'all, so we have our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts, but y'all know we like chicken thighs over here, right? So we're gonna season it with some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. We're gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. So you want to put the olive oil on there so we can make sure that the seasonings kind of stick. Y'all see? Stick to the chicken. And we just go flip it over and do the exact same thing. Put in a little bit. And then just use the rest of this. Y'all can really add whatever seasonings y'all want. This is just my basic ones, and I always like to use Italian when I'm making like a salad or any type of like pasta or anything like that. And then we just gonna sear this on the stove for a couple minutes. Okay, so we want to get the pan nice and hot and add some olive oil. So we're gonna add our chicken and we're gonna cook these for about 5 to 6 minutes. Cook these for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Okay, so we have our romaine lettuce, and this is how I cut mine. One time down this way, turn it, turn down that way. Take all the bad pieces off. We finna get ready and wash it anyway. Using this good ass cutting board. Put it in this little drying rack that I got. We're gonna wash it and dry it, and we're gonna come back. I think I'm gonna do it one more time because that was a lot of water that came out. Might be a lot more. We got anchovies. We're gonna take our anchovies. Yes, Caesar salad is made of anchovies, or Caesar dressing, I should say. And I'm not gonna use all the juice that's in here. You don't really need all of these, but I don't see what I would be using these for anything else, so I'm gonna use all of them. Might be overpowering, I don't know, y'all. So let's cut them up. Put the anchovies in there. We're gonna put a little bit of the oil in there. Garlic. A lot of garlic. We're gonna use egg yolks only. So I gotta get the white parts and separate it real quick. Mustard or Dijon mustard. A little bit of salt. I like fresh cracked pepper. A little Worcestershire. Alright, so we got some lemon juice. One more egg yolk. You can use mayo as well. A lot of people use mayo. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that yet. I'm just gonna see how it's tasting and how it's looking first. I'm gonna go in with some Parmesan. Now we're just gonna slowly whisk in some olive oil. Romaine. Massage it in. I'm gonna add some croutons. I didn't make these, but I bought them. And I got some shaved Parmesan as well. Alright y'all, so this is how it came out. If you like your dressing a little bit more creamier, you can go ahead and add a little bit of mayo. That works as well, y'all. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!